how to buy ARNOLD token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral code down in description. You can get free money, rewards, and crypto with the best referral code. Simply use the codes below, find your account, and enjoy the benefits. Check them out in the description box. So before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account first and keep following their updates about this token. So this token, as you can see, it's available on the screener. Now, this token, the liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's good. That's made your investment in this safe place. To be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here. And remember, this token address is under the Solana network. Now, open your Phantom wallet for that to buy this token. Click on swap here. Make sure you have enough Solana in your wallet. Click here and paste the token address here. As you can see, so this is it, our token. Click on it. Now, what you need to do, type how much you want to buy. And as you can see, this is how much you will receive. After that, select the provider from here, for example, Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. And after that, click on swap, and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now, if you face any issues after that, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage. Now, after that, go and you will buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy ARNOLD token. This is how to buy this is how to buy ARNOLD token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.